Yeah, this brand is Meachow Bike Mirror, high quality. My son-in-law has really liked his. He's had his a month or more, a couple of months. He ordered this one for me. We have installed it, and we will put this on the back end of the video. Yeah, as you screw it out, this expands to tighten up in the handlebar. So we will go ahead and install it now, and then check it out. It has that nice little reflector on it. This is an adjustment too to tighten this up to make it less or make it loose or more tight. And I'll say it just tightened up in there just right. Now we will go down the road and try it out. Okay, we're going to do a review of this mirror. We're going to go down the road and see how well we can see it. You may not be able to see it with the helmet, I don't know. We're starting off with 3 bars. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. I can see the back of the house good. We start down the road, I'll do this final adjustment, and then that way I'll be able to tell. Got to take the kickstand up. Is it up now? Yes, up. I've got to get somebody who knows bikes, get it to a shop and let them adjust this thing. Yeah, I think it's going to be alright. I think it's going to work good. I don't think I need one for the right side. Could put one in the right side, but I don't see where I would need one. Right into the sun. Yeah, I think that's going to be just right. Running 12 miles an hour. We have 50 miles on the bike now. We are in gear 6, pedal assist 1. Yeah, I want to start riding 4 or 5 miles a day. Build these leg muscles up, get them warmed up, and let them use up a lot of calories. Use up the calories. You need to go ahead. Don't be waiting on me. I want you behind me. Of course, it'd be a good test for the mirror, but running 15 miles an hour. We're using 0 watts, we're coasting. Yeah, this mirror is going to make a big difference. I may have to get a cattle prod. Dog gets after me, I'll electrocute him. I can't see anything going up this hill. Just looking at the curve. There we go. Using 690, 750 watts. We're on full throttle, no pedal. Running 11 miles an hour. Up the hill with no pedal, just throttle. I need to start pedaling though. Okay, pedal assist 2, gear 6. Using 120 watts. 9 miles an hour. I hope y'all can see the mirror with the GoPro. I can, looks good, I like it. Okay, I gotta start getting some video up. I may ride again here in a little while, so I won't take the mirror. I won't unmount the mirror. But we'll go back and get this review up too. We've reviewed the little Zebco telescoping fishing reel. Nice sky. See, and here comes the car. Perfect. Couldn't hear it, but I saw it in the mirror. Just right. Perfect test. This thing's shorter than a regular bicycle. It has a shorter turning radius. And I haven't gotten my balance good on it yet anyway. This thing would throw me in a flash. Yeah, it'll run about 25 miles an hour, depending on how much you pedal. You may get 40-45 miles out of one charge. Okay, well, let's cut it off. Let's get some videos going and go from there. Get us a bite to eat.